Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that all the cables are unplugged from the PlayStation 5. The next thing you want to do is make sure your PlayStation 5 is down with the logo side down. And what you want to do is slide down on the left hand side and pull up from the other side. And the side should just pop right off at that point. Then grab a screwdriver and take out the screws from the SSD expansion slot and pull the cover off. Then grab the M2 SSD that you purchased and push it into the PlayStation 5 until it clicks. Put the screws back in and put the SSD cover back on as well. Snap the cover back on. Plug everything back into the PlayStation 5. And when the PlayStation 5 comes back on, you should see a screen asking you if you want to format the drive. Definitely format the drive. Once the drive is done being reformatted, it should show you the speed of the new drive. Now, I did it twice and I actually got different speeds every time, but they were close within 200 or 300. If you want, you can move games to the new SSD. And if you want to automatically begin installing newly downloaded apps and games to the M2 SSD, you do it under Settings, Storage, and then choose the installation location, which should be the name of the M2 SSD. At that point, you should be all set. It should work fantastic, and your performance and speeds should be very similar, if not even better in a lot of cases, than the original SSD that comes inside of the PlayStation 5. The only thing that really won't save to that new SSD would be screenshots, video clips, and data in general, but games, apps, things like that will definitely save to the new M2 SSD drive. If you want to pick up the one I bought myself, it's linked down below. It works fantastic. I've had no issues at all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.